I'm very grateful kay Diwata. Pag minsan dadaan ako ng Senate, maybe daan din ako kay Diwata. Diwata, I'm a fan. No? Aside from me, the whole staff is very happy for all your achievements.
Kaling isa sa pelikula yung buhay ni Bata, sino kayang artista na sa tingin mo pwede nagaganap?
Wow, ang dami, no? Top of the list, maybe if there's a chance, no? If there's a chance. Honestly, right now, I'm super duper busy with many commitments. I have lots of I'm doing lots of ads internationally. So medyo tied up ako. I don't think makakagawa ako ng any movie na malapit sa sikat ngayon. But I'm very grateful kay Diwata. You know, I used to go to Senate because of Amy Marcos. So pag minsan dadaan ako ng Senate, maybe daan din ako kay Diwata. And give her, you know, something to use for vlogging. Medyo hindi maganda yung mga gamit niya eh. So,
Hindi, maganda na bumili
maganda
sa
na
iPhone
ngayon.
15.
Ayun, dapat ano.
Oo.
Bigyan ko siya ng ano.
Feeling ko wala pa siya nung
60.
gimbal.
Oh, yung gimbal.
Oo, yung sa
Yan,
360.
mga pang-filmmaker.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baka pwede yun. Kasi hindi maganda yung phone eh. Bigyan ko mic, bigyan ko ng... Sa sweet eh, invite ako lang.
Tsaka wala siyang light sa pansin ko eh. Wala pa siya ng mga
Walang
ring
lights.
lights eh.
Oh, yeah.
Oo,
Sige,
pang
sige,
ano,
sige.
ambience. So,
Sige,
di ba,
mukhang
idea.
nahingan ka ni Diwata ah.
Oo, hindi naman. No, kasi nakikita ko sa feed.
Hindi malapit ako kay Diwata na ngayon. So ano yung mensahe natin kay Diwata at mga fan?
Nako, Diwata, I'm a fan. No? Aside from me, the whole staff is very happy for all your achievements. Nakita namin your humble beginnings, just like ako naman, 2019, I was just nobody, but now I'm slowly reaching my dreams. Proud kami sa iyo, kakain kami dyan, pero dapat di na kami pipila. No, sabihin ko kay Kip tsaka kay Gerald, punta kami dyan bago mag-show.
Kung sakasakaling isa sa pelikula yung buhay ni Bata, sino kayang artista na sa tingin mo pwede nagaganap?
Wow, ang dami, no? Top of the list, maybe si Juliana, taga-Pasay din. No, tinalalayo yung parang isang tribo lang eh, no? Ganun ang tingin ko. Ganun ang tingin ko. O hindi yung lait ha. Ano yun? Para lang raw, para lang makatotohanan. Dalawang taga-Pasay, sa Pasay ang pwesto ni Diwata. So, parang feeling ko, ma-achieve natin yung ganun. Kwintasan ko ng ginto-ginto si Juliana anytime.
Direct
Makita.
after this Soulmate, what's next? Mayroon ka na bang iti-direct this year also?
Well, there are talks. There are talks of doing the last Marcos movie and do it as a 16-episoder series for Netflix. I don't know yet dun sa kanilang talks, no? Kung yung last yung Mabuhay Alaw Mabuhay ay magiging series. Hindi ko pa alam kasi hindi ako nakaka-attend ng meetings and everything. But there's one baby project that I've been bugging Tita June Rufino about and Boss Vincent and Boss Vic. Meron akong isang gustong gawing pelikula na medyo nakakagulat yung project pero hindi pa nila ako binibigyan ng definitive answer pero doing that film it will really make me happy at makakahinga ako dito sa politika, sa trabaho. Just wanna do that film. Hindi ko pa lang pwedeng sabihin kung ano pero sana matuloy. But I have a lot of endorsement shoots tapos social media wise madami. So sana makapag-shoot ako ng munting pelikula yun.
Any update naman po sa meeting nyo with Sarah Geronimo last year?
Well, my meeting with Sarah G is very funny. Sarah wanted to have a very unique. Sabi niya, basta bigyan niyo ako ng kakaiba. So, ewan ko pa sa mga boss ko, nung narinig nila yung kakaiba, ako pinamiting kay Sarah. Pagkaupo ko, hinawakan ko yung kamay ni SG. Sabi ko, SG, gusto mo bang gawin to? Sabi niya, direct papakinggan ko lang. Sabi ko, oo, kasi parang hindi mo pa kayang mag-Daryl sabi. She's a very talented actress, but you know, my field is, paano ba? I think she's not ready when it comes to the legalities that involve her contracts. You know, she has Jollibee, she has shampoo commercials and all. Eh, alam mo naman, pag sa akin nagtrabaho, medyo magaspang ang words. Kakaiba yung ano. So, very raw. So, I don't think it will happen. Nung narinig niya yung tatlong pinitch ko, siguro mga 3 minutes siyang nakanganga.
Ganun
Ano
ba
ko lang siya?
yung-
Sabi ko, oh, ano SG? Sabi niya, grabe direct na trauma. Sabi niya,
Kasama si Matt po dyan.
kasama niya si Matt.
Pero
So,
may gagawin silang pelikula this year.
yes,
Adaptation.
Yes, yes.
Ako kayo yung magdadala.
No, it's not me. I only direct films that I write.
Okay.
So palagi ko, hindi ko, alam ko kung sinong director pero sila na magsasabi. Pero good friend din. So, I'm just so happy with the opportunity na papakinggan ako ni Sarah Geronimo. Pero darating din tayo
Cool.
dyan. Sabi ko, darating din tayo dyan. I'm a pop star. Alam naman yun.
How about
What's next for sa wakas? Sa wakas, right?
Yeah, we're so busy so we don't have any shows pa in Olongapo. We've been trying our best to come up with a solid schedule, but we are failing. The last bonding that we have was when we watched Miss Saigon sa Soler as a family. But, oo, pero a production is far from the horizon because of the schedule.
With all the love teams right now na sikat, like kagaya ng Team Pau, do you want to work with them someday?
Well, the array of artists that I'm allowed to work with so far is Viva artists. So ako, I don't see any problem with that. But I don't know. It's a very small industry.
Yeah.
Given the chance, I'm not the one who's saying. With my reputation, I'm not the first one who's saying no to anyone. So, yun lang. Ako, I don't see any problem working with other people. If they can carry the script, if they can, remold themselves to my characters na very rough, I don't see any problem working with them.
How
Ano po
did
yung
the content creator landscape change from your perspective from the time when you started the
It's
Vincent?
very different now. My contemporaries include Lloyd Cadena, itong yung
Yeah,
sama namin nila Lloyd, nung mga friends ni Lloyd, matagal na yun So during that time, during the peak of Vincentiments, ang content dapat hanggang 3 minutes lang. Mind you, ngayon 30 seconds lang, no? So paiksi ang attention span ng tao. It's a good thing I entered showbiz nung time na yon, no? 2018, 2019 na hindi pa kami masyadong masikip. Ngayon sobrang dami ng content creators. May TikTok na tayo, which I don't own a TikTok account. So it's very diverse. Well, kasya naman lahat sa stage, sabi nga nila. But now anything is content So I'm not kind of feeling that vibe. As a creator, I always go for the story. Para sa akin ang may kwenta, yung may kwento. So hindi ako masyadong fan ng vlogging na ito gagawin ko today, make fun of myself, make myself look ugly so people will support. I'm not really a fan of that.
With all the collaborations right now, any dream actor or actresses na gusto mong mai-direct?
I have a lot. Marami naman. I
Top
also
15.
have a list. No, I also have a list. Para they are eyeing for an Alex Gonzaga and Daryl Yam. I don't know yet. Because Alex has always been with Direct Fifth Solomon. Parang they are trying to get Alex to my camp. I just don't know yet. Pero sobrang sabog yun kasi paras kaming sira ulo. Wala pa akong idea. I've never met the girl. So given the chance, maybe Alex will be my next muse. I just don't know.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, thank you.
Invite na
Thank
lang
you.
po everyone.
Ayun. Hi everybody, this is Daryl Yap, the writer and director of Soulmate. Showing na po kami on May 29 on Cinemas Nationwide. Soulmate, tandaan niyo po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Direk.
Thank
Congrats
you.
po.